Hey
Okay,
everyone,
let's go.
and welcome back. Today, we retaking a deep dive into one of the most popular tools in the data world, Microsoft Power BI. We'll explore how accessible it is, the incredible support system built around it, and most importantly, how to decide if it's the right choice for your reporting needs. Whether you're an analyst, a BI manager,
Okay,
or a
let's go.
decision maker, this video will give you the practical guidance you need. So what exactly is Power BI? In short, it's Microsoft's all-in-one business intelligence platform. It lets you connect to data, clean it up, build analytical models, and create stunning, interactive visualizations, which is the cloud platform for sharing and
Okay,
collaboration.
let's
Power BI Mobile for viewing reports on the go. An on-premises report server for organizations that need to keep data in-house. And Power BI Embedded for developers who want to integrate reports into their own apps. It's a complete package that takes you from raw data to actionable insights. Now, let's talk about availability. One of Power BI's biggest strengths is how accessible it is. You can download Power BI Desktop for free on any Windows machine and start building reports right away. To share and collaborate, you'll need a license for the Power BI service. The most common is Power BI Pro, a per-user subscription that lets you publish and share your work. For larger companies, there's Power BI Premium, which provides dedicated resources, handles bigger datasets, and allows you to share reports with users who don't have a pro license. It also unlocks advanced features like paginated reports for pixel-perfect printing. And because it's a Microsoft Cloud service, Power BI is available in government clouds and regions all over the world, helping you meet specific compliance and data residency rules. A great tool is nothing without great support, and Power BI's ecosystem is massive. Microsoft provides extensive free documentation, tutorials on Microsoft Learn, and regular updates on their blog. But the real power is in the community. There are huge online forums, countless user groups, and experts on platforms like Stack Overflow and LinkedIn who are always ready to help. You'll also find a marketplace called AppSource, filled with custom visuals and pre-built solutions. If you need professional help, there are thousands of Microsoft certified partners who offer training, implementation services, and consulting. From free community forums to paid enterprise support, you're never alone on your Power BI journey. So, what makes Power BI so good for reporting? First, its data connectivity is fantastic. It has hundreds of built-in connectors to almost any data source you can think of, from simple Excel files to complex cloud databases. Second, it has Power Query, a powerful tool that lets you clean and transform your data with a user-friendly interface. Then there's the modeling engine, where you use a language called DAX to create sophisticated calculations and business logic. This creates a reliable, single source of truth for your entire organization. You can build highly interactive dashboards with cross-filtering and drill-through capabilities, and for those classic, printable reports like invoices or statements. Power BI Premium supports paginated reports. It also has robust governance and security features, like row-level security, to ensure people only see the data they're supposed to. Of course, no tool is perfect. There are some limitations to be aware of. The free and pro versions have limits on how large your data models can be. If you're working with truly massive datasets, you might need to invest in premium or use a dedicated platform like Azure Analysis Services. Also, real-time reporting using direct query can be slow if your underlying database isn't optimized. And while Power BI's data transformation tools are great, for really complex data engineering pipelines, you'll want to use a dedicated tool like Azure Data Factory. Finally, without a clear governance plan, it's easy for organizations to end up with a mess of duplicate reports and inconsistent numbers. Support here is crucial. You need a strategy from day one. So, how do you decide if Power BI is right for you? It boils down to a few key questions. First, what are your business needs? Are you focused on self-service analytics for your teams, or do you need to embed reports into a commercial application? Second, think about your data scale. For petabyte scale analytics, you might use Power BI as the front-end visualization layer on top of a more powerful data platform. Third, what's your budget? For small teams, Power BI Pro is very cost-effective. For wider distribution, Premium might make more sense. Also, consider your existing technology. If your company is already invested in Microsoft 365 and Azure, Power BI is a natural fit. Finally, think about your team's skills. If they know Excel, they'll pick up Power BI quickly. If you do choose Power BI, start with a pilot project. Pick a well-defined use case to prove the value and learn the ropes. From the very beginning, establish a governance plan. Decide who can publish content, how you'll certify datasets, and what your security policies will be. Invest in creating a shared, high-quality semantic layer so everyone is working from the same truth. And don't forget to train your users. The more people who know how to use the tool effectively, the greater your return on investment will be. Speaking of which, the ROI from Power BI comes from faster decisions, lower reporting costs, and increased analyst productivity. By empowering your teams with data, you're not just building dashboards, you're building a smarter organization. Many organizations migrate to Power BI from other tools. Moving from Excel is a common path, and your team's existing Power Query skills will be a huge advantage. If you're coming from an older reporting system, you'll need to plan the migration of your data models and reports. And remember, it doesn't have to be all many companies use Power BI alongside other specialized tools, playing to each one's strengths. So, what's the final verdict? Power BI is a mature, powerful, and incredibly well-supported platform that excels at self-service analytics and enterprise reporting, especially within a Microsoft-centric environment. You should choose it if you want tight integration with Office and Azure, need strong self-service capabilities, and value a massive support community. You might consider alternatives if you have extreme skill without the budget for premium architecture, or if your environment is heavily based on non-Microsoft technologies. In conclusion, Power BI offers a fantastic mix of power, flexibility, and support. With the right planning, governance, and architecture, it can deliver incredible value and transform how your organization uses data. If you found this deep dive helpful,